Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y over x. They are degrees number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dy over dx. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1, so you have v. And the next one, that is about the product rule of the derivative. So I will put this one going here and here. Dy over dx, that is about this one. So this one we have v, and this one we have v. V and v we can simplify. Side v I will put in here, ds and s we put on the left, on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. This one we have cosecant of v dv. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of v plus cotangent v. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s. And now I need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.